If you shoot videos without a good microphone, there is definitely going to be noise.
Whether it's an echo or noise from the generator for those of us in generator. Whether it's an echo, a sound from the bus around, or a generator for those of us in generator republic, you should understand that the audio quality of your video actually increases the engagement potential.
In this video, we're going to teach you 2 methods to fix the audio in your video, even without a microphone,
using your smartphone. Are you excited already?
We are too. Let's jump right into it. The first method is the AI method, and we're going to be following these steps to achieve that. First, we're going to be converting the video that we had shot to an audio, and you can use any online video converter that you're very familiar with, but for this video we're going to be making use of the vidIO tool. I'm going to go straight into my browser. I'm going to be going into the vidIO tool. Okay, alright, so as you can see that I'm currently on the vidIO tool, and then you can see that we have the convert your file. Okay, so remember that we want to convert the video that we had shot into an audio. So I'm going to tap on this convert your file, and I'm going to select the video that's at shot. So the video is going to be somewhere in the gallery. All right, so you can see upload a file. So I'm going to tap on it, and I'm going to select the video. I've selected the video, and you can see that it is currently uploading. So I'm going to select the audio, and I'm going to select MP3. So I'm going to tap on it and convert. You can see that the video is ready, and I'm going to just tap on download file. Awesome. Now moving on to the second AI tool that we're going to be making use of to enhance the audio, it is the Adobe Podcast. I'm going to go to...
So is it called Adobe or Adobe?
Adobe.
I think I'll go with Adobe though.
Anyways, and now you can see that I'm currently on Adobe Podcast. If you're using Adobe Podcast for the first time, you would need to sign up, create your account, and then you have access to it.
Okay.
What we're going to be using here is the enhanced speech to remove the noise and echo from our video, from our voice. So I'm going to go to enhanced speech.
Okay.
And I'm going to, you can see that it says choose files. So I'm just going to tap on choose files and select the audio that we had previously converted.
Okay.
So now you can see that the audio is currently uploading, and we'll wait for the whole enhancement to complete.
By the way, you need to know that sometimes these Adobe podcasts do take some time to actually fix your audio. All right, so that's why I would suggest that when you're using it, try to break the audio into 1 minute. All right, it's not like, because it can actually take up to 30 minutes audio. All right, but it's going to take almost the whole day to finish. All right, so I would suggest you break the audio, all right, into 1 minute or 2 minutes, all right, so that it can convert faster. Our audio is ready.
Okay, so
all right, so we are going to check it out. So you can, as you can see, enhance speech. All right, so let's try to turn it off and then play the audio so we see what we have first. So we're currently shooting this video without our mics, and you can also hear the sound of the fan. All right, and now let's turn on the enhanced speech and see what we have.
So just imagine all the noise that you can hear currently, and then by the time we begin, and then in this video,
okay. All right, I think the next thing is now to do what?
Awesome, that's very fantastic. So I think the next thing we need to do is to download this and then move over to the second method.
Yeah, so once you've downloaded the audio, I believe you already understand the whole things that comes into video editing. So you need to now merge the audio with that video. All right, the video is already converted such that once you blend it and then take out the audio of the original audio of the video, then you have a better sound on your video. So if this is your first time watching a video on our channel, do make sure to hit subscribe so you can join our community of people who use their smartphones productively and profitably.
And tap the like button so that the algorithm can share this video with more people.
Okay, now coming to the second method, we are going to be using CapCut. All right, so I've shared a video about some of the few awesome new features on CapCut that really blew my mind. Right, so we're going to use CapCut for this purpose. So we are currently on CapCut, and we're going to tap on new project, and we're going to import that very video. This is the video currently. All right, so again, let's confirm that it still have the noise.
So we're currently shooting this video without the noise.
Okay.
So get the sound.
All right, so this is the video. Permit me to just reduce the video to like 20 seconds, not for any reason, but just for the sake of making this faster. All right, so now the thing we're going to do, few things we're going to do to fix the audio is, number one is that we are going to raise the volume first. So when we raise the volume, definitely the noise is also going to be raised. Right, the noise is going to be raised. I don't know if you heard that. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to swipe all the way to the last button in the menu here. All right, and then tap reduce noise and then check the button. All right, so
we're currently shooting
the audio is fixing slowly, right? So I think I'm supposed to also have, I think I should duplicate this video, right, for the sake of before and after. So this is the before, so I'm just going to remove all the effects that I've already added. So I'm going to reduce the volume to 100 where it was. So let's make sure we don't cheat. Keep it at 100. Okay. All right. Then the next thing, we are also going to turn off the noise. All right. So this is before. All right, and then this is after. All right, the work is not done yet. All right, so we're going to select the video again, and then we are going to tap on enhance voice. All right, so now we are just going to turn on the enhance voice and allow the AI to fix the voice.
So we're currently shooting this video without our mics. You can also hear the sound.
So yeah, the audio is actually done. All right, but then you can see that it stopped at 75. All right, but we can take it all the way to 100. So this depends on the intensity of the noise, right? So we want to take it to 100 and then allow it to enhance again so that we can get a really perfectly enhanced voice. English, right?
Perfectly enhanced.
I didn't say Lee.
So we're currently shooting
awesome
without our mics.
All right.
Also hear the
so we can now check the button. All right, and we can actually say that the audio has been enhanced. But there's something else I would like to show you. All right, that you can also do. All right, so this is in the case of maybe you shot it where there was some music in the background. All right, so you can tap on this button over here that says isolate voice, and then tap on keep vocal, and then if you want to remove the vocal and leave the music, then you can tap on remove vocal. But of course, you want to keep the vocal alone, right? So you can just tap on keep vocal, all right, to take out the music in the background, the noisy music in the background, and leave only your voice. All right. So once this is done, yeah, it's already done. So maybe we should bring in the one that was done by Adobe Podcast.
Yeah.
All right, and then we can see. Yeah, let's just effect it in this second. Okay, let me just duplicate this one. All right, let's duplicate it. Okay, and then we are going to tap on the video and then take out the audio, as I said. So let's take out the audio 0. All right, the next step we're going to do, so let's make sure we are still at the beginning, is to go to audio, then go to sounds, right? Then go to our folder and then go to device. Okay, so I guess this is the music, right?
So we're currently shooting.
All right, so this is it. So let's tap on it and add. All right, so let's also just cut it here. All right, where we have cut the other one. All right, so this is the first method by Adobe Podcast. Now we have the two methods done and you've listened to them all at once. So we're going to play each of them one after the other between Betty's method and Frederick's method, right? And tell us on the comment down below, which method would you choose? Please, no women supporting men. Women. Men support men and women support women. Let's see who wins. So we're currently shooting this video without our mics, and you can also hear the sound of the fan close by. Sorry, the generator is not on at the moment. So we're currently shooting this video without our mics, and you can also hear the sound of the fan close by. Sorry, the generator is not on at the moment. So we're currently shooting this video without our mics, and you can also hear the sound of the fan close by. Sorry, the generator is not on at the moment. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new from this video.
And you can also watch other videos that we have shot, like this ones here. And also remember to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you
On the next one.